Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look in on the gold market. So before we continue with the gold market, it's the same update and advertisement as we have made in today's Forex video. We would like to present you our Telegram channel that actually we have discussed on the forum, so this is not the big surprise. This is the address in a Telegram, so you could find it easily. I also put this link in threads today that should just let you to join the channel. So how to use the channel, just 2 words guys before we will proceed with the gold market. We put here important events in the different subjects: rumors, economy news, domestic United States political news, global situation. So all this stuff has a relation to the subjects that we discuss in our weekly reports. So for example, recently we discussed the rejection of a request to Joe Biden to increase the oil extraction by the Arab Emirates. So currently in the yesterday news, for example, you could find the news that 6 other countries of the OPEC support the decision of the Emirates to not increase the extraction. So that makes the direct impact on the foreign political affairs of the United States, in particular the Joe Biden team. And that just confirms that the Joe Biden teams really stands really weak, and it's not treated as a real force currently. So everybody is preparing for elections and a big change in the global politics and in domestic politics in the United States. This is important. So other news, for example, relates to same story of the oil extraction, so and then gas extraction. China halts the gas sales to foreign buyers, including the European Union. You understand what's going to happen in Europe as a result of this. So you can see all news stands very short, and it's really fun to read. Light reading, actually. Well, also we bring some humor here. For example, is Bitcoin 90k support. So here you can see, and you could take the part actually in this discussion. So for example, I usually put the 2 possible, kind of the poll here. So would you suggest that support will hold? Then you could put the reaction here with the thumb up. If you suggest that support will not hold, you could put the reaction no. So to put the reaction, you just choose this icon that you would like to hear, emoji. So sometimes we put the videos very short, it's no longer than the 2 minutes probably, just to keep it easy watching here. So everything is very short term, very small. So it's no more than 10, maybe 15 posts per day, because it's more than enough. It's not something exceptional will happen. Here's, by the way, interesting post from the New York Post on concerning the pension funds in a time of the Joe Biden presidency. So it's very interesting to read as well. Anyway, just if you find it interesting, you could invite your friends, join by yourself, because it will be really easy to you to understand what I'm talking about in weekly reports, especially concerning some economical, political subjects, because you will know the background of the news background that is coming through the week. And because I can't put everything in the weekly report, and that just lets you to stay on course and easy understand the global picture. So we hope that will be very helpful to us. So now let's proceed with the gold. What we have here, you can see that on the gold market indeed looks heavy. It just confirms our suspicions that it could retest in previous lows. We would not expect that this will be some big drop or something of that sort, but it definitely stands under pressure. Performance here stands a bit heavier than on the euro currency. Besides, our forum member Giorgetto has put the interesting chart of relation gold to euro, and there we have the bearish grabber on a high time frame that suggests also retesting of these lows, at least in the euro. So that's also brings some background for possible that gold should remain under pressure. It will be heavy in the nearest time. And that makes me think that currently it would be better to not consider taking any long position by far. In general, on the 4 time frame chart, you could see, as we suggest in the weekly report, that market indeed has shown some pullback here, but then shows the retracement back after the erasing of this engulfing pattern has happened. Yes, we have here a minor grabber, but actually its minimum target stands right there, just above the stop, so it's not really very important in the current circumstances. Besides, on the intraday charts, here on the 4 time frame chart, on the hourly chart, we do not see yet any patterns. So particularly here, some kind of the triangle is forming. It's very choppy action without any attempt to break it up, and market mostly stands coiling and around this area. And in fact, we have no patterns on both sides. And for example, if we will get something of this kind, so take a look, maybe it will be left shoulder, compounding head, market return back up to the 1680, starts retracement. In this case, we could consider taking a long position if market will start to form something reversal. Until this happens, well, currently it seems that it would be better to sit on the hands and see what will happen next.